Semju Ibrahim solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. I, Semju Ibrahim, solemnly affirm that I will give faithful service to this Parliament and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established.
Tumwesige Josephat. Tumwesige Josephat.